Welcome to the Cuarto Journal. We're back with another cooking video, and for today's episode, we'll show you 3 recipes on how you can transform your leftover chicken at home. These recipes are super easy to make and super delicious at the same time, so keep on watching! The first recipe we're going to make is our Thai chicken salad. We start by slicing the chicken into strips. Next is to chop your cucumber in half and then into small pieces, shaping them into half circles. Afterwards, simply chop the tomatoes into cubes. Then carefully pick your mint leaves without chopping them and simply tear them into small pieces. After that, just roughly chop your coriander leaves. Now, to prepare the dressing, be sure not to cut into the middle part of the lemon. Instead, focus on the outer portion so you can evenly squeeze out the juices. Then just simply combine it with the fish sauce and some palm sugar. If you don't have any, you can use honey. And also season it with black pepper and some crushed chili flakes. Next is to combine the dressing with the rest of the ingredients and mix well. Now you can serve the salad on a plate. And then to top it all off, add your sliced chicken. And there you have it! A perfect way to start any meal with a refreshing appetizer. For this next recipe, we are going to utilize the chicken bones as the base for a quick Vietnamese pho recipe. To begin, remove the meat from the chicken, leaving the bones intact. We will reserve this to use for the soup stock in the pho. And then, just simply chop 1 piece of ginger. And then add 1 cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 1 bay leaf, and 2 coriander stems. And also chop 1 onion in half. Set the pot on the stove and turn the heat on. Then just add your water, just enough to cover all ingredients, and wait for it to come to a boil. When the broth comes to a boil, add in your chicken cubes. Also sprinkle in some black pepper, and also add fish sauce. Meanwhile, we've already prepared our rice noodles earlier and soaked them in hot water. Now we are reheating them in the boiling soup stock to ensure the noodles are completely cooked. Then, when the noodles are al dente, add them to your serving bowl. Then add your toppings, which are the chicken, mint, and coriander leaves. If you have other greens, you can also add them. Afterwards, strain the broth to ensure its clarity, and you're done. Now enjoy this aromatic and comforting Vietnamese pho filled with rich flavors and fragrant spices. The final recipe on the list is chicken sisig. So first, just chop your chicken into small cubes. And also dice 1 onion. Also extract the juice from the lemon using the technique we discussed earlier. Then just add fish sauce, pure sesame oil, black pepper, and also mayonnaise. This is optional, but you can also add crushed chili flakes for added spice. Now just take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter and pure sesame oil. And simply throw in your mixed ingredients. And don't forget the final step, which is adding the egg, and you're done. Enjoy this savory and flavorful dish, perfect for a delightful meal. And this concludes our 20th episode. Don't forget to check out our other videos as well, ranging from food recipes to travel adventures. Please support our channel by liking this video and subscribing down below. We will post more fun videos about our family, lifestyle, food, and travel. See you on the next episode. Bye!